Hi guys from the Thoughtful Gardener. I absolutely love growing tulips and I love bringing them inside for arrangements. But did you know that tulips continue to stretch even in a vase? Let me show you how you can prevent that. Stay tuned. It's the Thoughtful Gardener, and I am just enjoying the beautiful season we're having here with all of these gorgeous spring flowers. I wish you were here to smell the viburnum that is blooming all over the property right now. It smells absolutely wonderful. We also have what's called a bachelor's button here, as well as these beautiful irises and these really gorgeous black tulips. One of the challenges of tulips, even after they have been brought inside, is they have a tendency to want to continue to grow. And that is because they're stretching for the sun. And so here's my tip to keep your tulips at the right height. So right underneath your tulip head, about an inch down, I want you to take a sharp object. In this case, it's just an unwound paper clip. You can also use a hat pin or a safety pin. But what you're going to do is put your finger on the opposite side of the tulip, and then you're just going to punch a hole right underneath the head of the flower. Now, no one else is going to be able to see that, but you will keep the flower in a compact shape. I have a friend in Chicago. She gets tulips every single week, but one of her major complaints is they get too tall and leggy in the vase, and then they have a tendency to flop over. And that's because they're still stretching for the sun. So if you will do this one little trick, a tiny little hole, it will prevent it from continuing to try to stretch for the sun. Garden thoughtfully and take care.